In communities of color, systemic barriers to post-secondary education and employment contribute to persistent generational disparities in wealth, income, and health outcomes. Currently, thousands of adults on the far east side of Indianapolis are unemployed or underemployed, and many have given up altogether on finding employment. The unemployment rate for adults on the far east side is double the rate of other adults in Marion County. In an effort to intensify our commitment to families and community members in achieving economic independence, we created PLA University, a tuition-free workforce development program that teaches essential skills and provides certification training by partnering with local training providers and assisting with placement into high-demand careers. PLA recognizes the importance of working with scholars and families in tandem. By offering PLA University in collaboration with our PLA campuses, we approach family well-being by intentionally working with scholars and the adults in their lives simultaneously. Helping families achieve greater financial security provides greater stability to our scholars, but also their parents and older siblings and relatives and the community at large. This approach creates a legacy of educational success and economic prosperity that passes from one generation to the next. Helping Indy residents gain quality jobs improves access to economic opportunity. And equity means transforming the behaviors, institutions, and systems that disproportionately harm marginalized communities. Workforce development is an important way to advance racial equity by addressing systemic, structural, and institutional barriers for communities of color. PLA University is aimed to effectively break this cycle.
When students enroll into our program, they first take our essential skills workshops. We offer workshops in time, stress, and money management, networking, interviewing, resume writing. We also offer workshops in effective communication and adapting to change. Once they finish the essential skills training of their program, we then place them into their occupational skills training. We've partnered with local training providers to offer our students opportunities for careers in industries such as health and life sciences, advanced manufacturing, supply chain and logistics, entrepreneurship, and IT. Once the student completes their occupational skills training, they come back to us and we assist them with the all-important job search. We do mock interviews with each student to give them the confidence for when they go for that interview to get that job. Once they're placed in a job, then we offer 1-year coaching and mentoring.
Those who have completed the program have found it life-changing. Kia is a big sister to a PLA scholar. She enrolled into the cybersecurity program at 1150 Academy and completed the program in February of 2022, became A+ certified, and landed a job as a systems engineer at Salesforce making $35 an hour, $67,000 per year, plus benefits. When Kia came to us, she was working for DoorDash making $14 an hour. That's a 250% increase in salary in just under a year. Interested in starting a freight brokerage business, Alondra enrolled in PLA University in January 2022. Having completed the internal career skills workshops with perfect attendance, she enrolled in PLA University's entrepreneurship program while simultaneously pursuing a university freight brokering program. By utilizing the interviewing strategies and tools presented in the PLA University Career Skills Workshop, Alondra was able to land a job at XPO Logistics, earning $10,000 more than her previous job. Dion completed her medical assistant coursework and passed her certification exam last year. She recently relocated to Georgia and got little traction from her job applications. She requested a resume review with our regional executive director, received numerous requests for interviews within a week, and was offered a position making 51% more than her original salary. Her sister is currently a PLA University student now at Dion's recommendation.
We are excited about the strides we are making at PLA University, and our goal is to help as many students achieve economic strength and economic stability. Thank you.